Hi, my name is Brenda. I'm a mixed media artist living in South Africa. I'm going to be taking wine bottles, ordinary wine bottles. They seem to reproduce in my home, and I'm going to be upcycling them into fun creatures. So we will be making a giraffe. He'll be finished differently to this, but he will still be a giraffe. And we will make a cat doorstop. He will also have a different finish to this, but this is just so that you can see what we are planning to make. There will also be a bonus class. I will be teaching you how to make this owl. He actually can be used as a jar where you can hide your little candies away from your grandchildren, or you can put your little special things in there and they will be safe and looked after. Well, that's all from me. I hope you're going to book your class to see how to do all of these things. And don't forget, at Curious Mondo, you'll always conquer new possibilities.